This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY62 in Laporte. Visit our website via weather.gov/idaho. This is a blizzard warning for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, LaPorte, Marshall, Pulaski, St. Joseph and Stark, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass. Blizzard warning in effect from 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday to 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. What blizzard conditions expected? Total snow accumulations of 12 to 18 inches. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northern Indiana and southwest Michigan. When? From 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday to 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts: travel will be extremely difficult to impossible. Widespread blowing and drifting snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact the Tuesday evening and Wednesday commute. Strong gusty winds could bring down tree branches and cause power outages. Dangerous cold wind chills as low as 20 below to 30 below zero will cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. Additional details: snowfall rates could reach 1 to 2 inches per hour during the heaviest snow accumulation on Wednesday. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The following message is transmitted at the request of local authorities. This message regards to a dangerous blizzard that has been ongoing within the past 24 hours across portions of northern Indiana and southwest lower Michigan. As of 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, several life-threatening emergencies have been occurring across portions of LaPorte and Berrien counties. There have been numerous reports of widespread power outages, wind chills of around 25 to 35 degrees below zero, snowfall rates of 2 to 3 inches in just an hour, and dangerous wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour. The storm is causing widespread disruptions to daily life, as well as causing significant life-threatening travel impacts across the area. Other disturbing reports have stated that a few fatalities have resulted from residents being trapped in their vehicles attempting to travel in these blizzard-like conditions. This is a developing dangerous and potentially life-threatening situation. All residents who are receiving this broadcast are strongly encouraged to take the following precautions to ensure your safety. Do not go outside for any unnecessary reason. Stay in your home and keep as much warmth as possible. Make sure you have an adequate set of supplies, such as food and water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, extra batteries and a battery-powered radio. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, news stations, and media outlets for further updates and information on this dangerous situation.